Yeah, Lottie. Ice Cube's the coolest person that I've ever met.
She's so epically cool.
Just like you are, too. We're all cool. Isn't it so awesome to be so cool? Well, I love you. I love all of you. You guys are so amazing. I can't wait to get to meet all of you.
Be quiet, Leafy. You're not helping. Oh, I see how it is. Maybe then I don't want to be friends. What about you guys? Want to be friends? I bet you do, because you're awesome.
Yeah! Of course. It's good to collect as many friends as possible.
Let me think about it. I'll get back to you later, Leafy.
Oh, why doesn't Davey like me?
I just don't know much about you yet, that's all.
Well, you've definitely chosen to take things the hard way here. If that's the way you want to do it, I guess I can't stop you. I want to help all the people who need a helping hand. Robotty, I'll help you. I knew you'd join. Rocky, Cloudy, Woody, Nickel, you guys look like you all need assistance. I'll help you too. Balloony, I'll help you too.
I don't need help, but, sure.
That is not what he said. Tell me again, Woody. That's a catchy name. Yeah, 4. I hate to be pushy, but we'd really like to start competing. Right, Woody? Come on, Cloudy. I just know you can make it. We did it! Alright, now, Cloudy. Hey, how did you know to get a Jawbreaker?
Huh?
I didn't tell you your job yet.